job, you want to get off your job, and everybody online is making it look so easy, and it's not really not. Maybe you're not tech savvy. Maybe you don't pick up things as quickly as other people would. Maybe you just need some support, need some guidance, need some help. You can't afford these 4 and 5 figure courses and coaches and all of those things, and that's what I'm here for. I show you how to match or exceed your current income if you are working, so that you can create that income consistently, so it will replace your income, so you can eventually leave your job. And I believe with digital products, you can do that. It's low startup costs, if there's any startup cost at all. Easy to set up, and you can sell whatever you like, or like you could do like what I'm doing. I already have products that are already selling, are already making money from, and you can get those products, get MRR rights to it, master resale rights to it, and rebrand it and resell it as your own. Collect 100% of the profits. All right, so I don't know how to make it any more easier than that. I give you everything, and I'm using, give you all the templates, all the funnels, everything, all the emails, and I help you get traffic, and I help you if you get stuck. If you get stuck, I show you how to fix and solve any problems. A lot of people struggle with domains or struggle with the email automations, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to help you get through that. All right, it's not hard. I make it very simple, and I'll do it with you so that you can do it. All right, that's anybody who purchases any of my products. I want to make sure that you're successful with my products and don't feel like you're wasting your money, or it was too much and you feel discouraged and you just quit altogether. All right, you'll find those links in any one of my videos. It might be in this live. I'm not sure because the lives are weird, but I'm assuming that they'll automatically be in this live, and you can check it out there, you guys. So yeah, let me know any of your questions. Drop them down in the comments. Where are you at in your journey? Have you started yet with digital products? Are you considering digital products as a way to make some extra income? Have you already started and you stuck? Maybe you've purchased something and you're not having any luck with it. You can't figure some things out. Drop some comments down in here, and I'd be glad to answer those for you right here on this live. We can fix this problem right now. All right, and no, just know, guys, I charge for the information I'm giving out to you. So I'm on this live. I'm giving you some sauce, and you won't have to pay a single dime. All right, I'll answer any of your questions. All right, so you just let me know. Tell me who's online. Tell me where you're from. Give me a flex emoji down in the comments. Give me some engagement so I don't feel like I'm talking to myself. That's the thing about these lives when you're on here. You never know if anybody's going to join, or if they join, or if they're going to engage. So any questions, any comments, any suggestions, whatever you have feel, whatever you're feeling, whatever's going on, drop it down in the comments. And if you don't know me, by the way, I'm Ronnie, aka Dad Learns Money. If you're just joining me for the first time, I am an infinite passive income coach. So I teach you how to make infinite passive income, and I stress the word infinite. It's just income that's going to come into your bank account every single week, day, and month throughout the year, so that you can leave your 9 to 5 job for good. I help you clock out of your job for good. Put in that 2 week notice, all right, and walk out and never look back, so that you can live the life of your dreams, because you can do this. It's not hard, you guys. You can do this. And I'm a living testimony to that, you guys. I'm a regular guy, as you can see. Um, Nothing extraordinary about me. I don't have no extensive background or educational background where I've done all these amazing things and got masters. I'm just a regular guy, a regular Joe. I was working a job just like you guys, and I ended up losing it all, losing everything. I ended up being homeless, and me and my family and our things were thrown out in the street. We lived in my car, and I discovered digital marketing, and I haven't looked back. And I've gone on to make not just 6, but seven figures in my business. All right, 7 figures in my business, and now I coach. I've coached going on almost 3,000 people so far over the course of like 4 to 5 years, and helped them done the same. All right, so got a lot of information that I can help you with. So yeah, drop your questions down in the comments, you guys. Any questions that you might have, and let me know where you're from. I'm trying to figure out how I can see who's online. You see here. That's the share button. That's not it. who's online